What is going on, guys? In today's video, we will be talking about the Resonator delete, specifically the CTS turbo pipe. I went for the CTS turbo company because it was the most cost efficient to me at that point. And highlighted below is the tools that are required to remove your resonator. Basically, the company includes 2 band clamps and the piping itself. Now, at the moment of this video, you could find a lot cheaper options by going to the used market, the used forums, because plenty of people are partying out. Now, the company also provided us with a pretty thorough PDF installation guide, but along with it, I'm going to go ahead and just do a picture-in-picture so that you get a solid idea of how to go about with this modification. It's very simple. Step 1 is to measure 5.5 inches from that exhaust hanger. So here is a resonator removed from the car, and judging by the size, you can tell why the Gulf R in North America is pretty much silent from factory. I'm guessing there's a ton of chambers inside just to mute the sound, but the next step is to go ahead and fit the aftermarket band clamps on your OEM piping. Moving along, you can tell the difference between the CTS turbo piping and the stock resonator, along with the exhaust hanger that we took out as a whole. So the next step will be removing or swapping the exhaust hanger brackets from your stock resonator to the new piping. Especially with a tool like this, it's going to be a lot more easier once the hanger is away from the vehicle. It's just a lot more space to work with, so that's highly recommended, but not a must, not a necessity, especially if you're working alone under the car. So after aligning the resonator, making sure everything is a good fit, just tighten up the band clamps and you're pretty much home free. So I've had this modification done in my car for quite a few thousand miles already, and having driven for that long, I would like to report back that this is a must-have modification For any daily driver who doesn't want to sound obnoxious with the aftermarket system, who wants a subtle sound but a little bit more aggression to it, this deletion should have came stock from factory. Unless you're driving 65 miles per hour plus on race mode with the valves open, you're not going to hear anything. And even so, to most people, it's not going to sound like drone at all. It's just a slight hum in the cabin. Once again, here is the Resonator delete process. Hope it was helpful. Shout out to my friend for helping me opening up his shop and having me come through. I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care.
There you go. First startup. Not bad.